Please click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon to get the latest notifications.
Hello everyone, it's me JB from Unique Tutorials. Today in this video I will show you how to change the looks of the sky of any picture in your Android smartphone. Yes, you heard it right, the looks of the sky. But remember one thing before proceeding further, I would like to clear you that you can apply such tutorials on the artificial photos that you have downloaded from the Google's or any websites. It must be the real photo taken by your mobile camera or any digital cameras. So without any further more delay, let's begin. First of all, you need to go to the Play Store. On the Play Store, you need to search for one application name as Picnic. Just tap on it. You can install this application. As I have already installed, so I'm not going to install it again. So you install it. Once the installation is done, click open. As you can see the user interface of this application. This application is totally free of cost, so no need to purchase. So as you can see here below, there is a gallery, and one side you can see a camera option. So tap on the gallery and you can see here all the photos. So on one side you can see all photos. As you can scroll down below, and as you will select one of the photo that is having a sky. So I'm selecting this. So now you can see you get the options to sense the looks of the skies, the different filter, that is the sky filters. So let us try one by one whether it works or not. Now you can see if you tap on different filters, that will automatically change your sky looks, and depending upon your needs you can change the look of the sky without any further editing. Suppose if you like this, then once done you can save this photo by clicking on this icon. You can get more filters like this, so depending upon your needs you can choose different filters. There's lots of filters, and more filters will be coming soon by the developer. So stay updated while using these applications, and it's really cool to change the looks of the sky very easily without needing to edit anything further. This application will automatically change the looks of the sky, any picture, very easily. So what are you waiting for? Go to the Play Store, download the application and try it out for yourself. I hope you find this video useful, and please click on the thumbs like button if you like the video, and please do support our channel by subscribing our channel, and lastly, thanks for watching.